If you're a first-time homeowner in West Columbia, you may have questions about the door installation process. In this article, we'll guide you through everything you need to know to make an informed decision when it comes to installing or replacing doors in your home. Understanding the importance of quality doors. As a first-time homeowner, it's crucial to understand the importance of quality doors in your home. Doors play a critical role in your home's security, insulation, and overall aesthetic appeal. The right door can enhance your home's functionality, making it safer and more energy efficient. Security. Strong, well-installed doors provide a crucial line of defense against intruders. Entry doors with solid cores and strong locking mechanisms are essential to keeping your family and belongings safe. Energy efficiency. Poorly insulated doors can lead to drafts, making your home uncomfortable and increasing your energy bills. Energy-efficient doors, such as fiberglass or steel doors, are designed to reduce heat loss, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Curb appeal. The front door is the focal point of your home's exterior, and a new, stylish door can boost your home's curb appeal. Whether you choose a wooden or steel door, the right design can make a significant impact on your home's appearance. Choosing the right door for your needs. There are many different types of doors available, and choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. It's important to consider the style, material, and functionality of the door to ensure it fits your home's needs. Exterior doors. When it comes to exterior doors, consider the level of security and insulation they provide. Steel doors are highly secure and energy efficient, while fiberglass doors offer the same benefits with a more natural appearance. If you want a classic look, wooden doors offer elegance and versatility. Interior doors. For interior doors, you have more flexibility in terms of design. Hollow core doors are affordable and provide basic functionality, while solid core doors offer better soundproofing and durability. Patio and sliding doors. If you want to enhance the flow between your indoor and outdoor living spaces, sliding glass doors or French doors are popular options. These doors offer great natural light and easy access to your patio or garden area. Professional versus DIY door installation. As a first-time homeowner, you might be tempted to install your own doors as a DIY project to save money. However, it's important to understand the complexity of door installation, particularly for exterior doors. Professional door installation ensures that your door is fitted correctly and operates smoothly. DIY installation. While installing an interior door might be manageable for a beginner, exterior door installation requires precision. Poor installation can lead to gaps around the door frame, compromising your home's security and energy efficiency. Professional installation. Hiring a professional door installer guarantees that your door is properly fitted and sealed. Professionals have the experience and tools necessary to install doors without causing damage to the surrounding structure. They will also ensure that the door operates correctly, with smooth opening and closing, and that the weather stripping is properly applied. What to expect during the installation process. If you decide to hire a professional for your door installation, it's helpful to understand what the process will look like from start to finish. Initial assessment. A professional installer will assess the space where the door will be installed. They will measure the doorway to ensure that the new door fits properly and that there are no issues with the frame. Removal of old door. If you are replacing an old door, the first step will be to carefully remove it, including the hardware and frame if necessary. Door installation. The new door will be installed in the prepared frame. The installer will ensure that the door is level, square, and properly aligned with the frame. Once the door is in place, the installer will secure it with appropriate fasteners. Sealing and weatherproofing. The installer will apply weather stripping and check for any gaps to ensure that the door is sealed properly, preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Finishing touches. After the door is installed, the installer will finish the job by adding any necessary hardware, such as handles, locks, and hinges, ensuring the door operates smoothly. Preparing your home for door installation. Before the installation day, there are a few things you can do to make the process as smooth as possible. Clear the area. Make sure the area around the door is clear of furniture, debris, or anything else that could obstruct the installation. Protect your flooring. Cover the floor with a protective cloth or drop cloth to avoid damage during the installation process. Communicate with the installer. If you have any specific preferences regarding the installation, such as the type of hardware or the direction in which the door swings, be sure to discuss these details with your installer in advance. Cost consideration. When budgeting for door installation, be sure to factor in the cost of both the door and the installation. The price of the door can vary based on the material, style, and features, while professional installation will come with labor costs. While DIY installation may seem cheaper, the potential for mistakes and future repairs often makes professional installation a better value in the long run. Conclusion. Door installation in West Columbia. As a first-time homeowner in West Columbia, upgrading or replacing your doors is a smart way to improve your home's security, comfort, and appearance. By carefully selecting the right type of door, understanding the installation process, and hiring a professional installer, you can ensure that your home's doors are both functional and beautiful for years to come. Investing in quality door installation is not just about enhancing the look of your home. It's about ensuring its safety, energy efficiency, and long-term value. Whether you're replacing an old door or installing a new one, following these steps will help you make the best choice for your home.